Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money.
Remember, I thought there was a dead seal, and I thought it was a turtle too.
I know, but it was ready.
Yeah.
Hi, Lee! Good morning sa anak, be. Good afternoon naman di ay karon.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, everyone. Tingnan niyo, naka-outfit tong dalawang to.
Now,
Yeah. Where are we going, ate?
primary school.
What are you doing there?
Gonna visit. I'm gonna visit my teachers.
Yes.
And I got banana mine. Look at that.
I know, you finish it, okay? Ng ating baby Celine. Oh. Yan. Her car is there. Inon na ni Daddy Mike. Just take this one. May iwan ang ano dito, guys. Oh. Electric fan. Rubbish pa. Diyan iniwan talaga. Over na sila eh. Ding ding! It's currently 11. Ayan. Ng hapon. So, alis kami, guys. Lala, have a look here, oh. Have a look here, oh. Si tita, andito, oh. Hello, everyone! Pupunta kami sa school ni Ate Paris kasi today, she's going to meet her teacher next year para sa prep. It's going to be very, very exciting, guys. And sobrang busy namin today kasi alam niyo ba, maraming ganap today. So, Paris's Lola Karen is now at the airport. So, papunta na siya dito sa bahay. So, pagkarating niya, wala kami dito. But, have a look. But si Daddy Mike ay working from home naman. So, that's fine. And, ano pa ba? What else is going on, anak? Oh no, this afternoon. So, alam niyo ba, sobrang timing ni, Lola ni Ate Paris. Kasi this afternoon is Paris' graduation from Kindy. So it's going to be like a big day for everyone, of course. Kasi, yan na, gagraduate na ang ating Ate Paris. Hey, hold this one. Hold this one. And then we have to go, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, naku, very hectic ng buhay, guys. Goodness. Kabuubuan na taan eh. Nak, can you carry this one, Nak? Please? Ate, carry that one.
Who's that for?
That's for you. Anyways, alis na kami, guys. Kasi late na kami.
What is it?
12:11, 12 hanggang 12:45 lang yung kanilang ano. We'll have a look later, anak. Where is the Paris? We have to go. Did you make a mess? Ate Paris is there now. Gumagawa na making friends na. Will you go say hi, Ate Paris? Tingnan nyo ang ating baby Celine ay nakahanap ng gripo. Naghihilamos pa siya, guys. Nakatapos lang namin sa room ni Ate Paris dyan. And they are just playing now. Ayan, may playground. Oh, ayun sa Ate Paris, oh. Ayan. Hinihintay na lang na matapos. For sure, hindi matatapos ang laro na yan. Have a look at this one. Nakatungtong na, oh. Shh! Hey! Nini! So, it's very good, guys, kasi yung mga kaklase ni Ate Paris sa Kindy ngayon ay nilagay sila sa the same classroom ba. So, it's good na meron silang kakilala. So, it's not just, you know, new faces. Lang! Sabi ko, alis tayo kasi ang kanyang Lola Karen ba? Dumating na yan. You like it? You gonna go prep not too long? Huh? That's nice. Hold her neck slowly, Nak. We're done there. Punta na kami ng sasakyan ngayon. So, nag-park kami dyan. You excited, ate? For next year? Hindi ko pa ito mapauwi-uwi sa Ate Paris, guys. Buti na lang sabi ko, Lola Karen niya ay naghihintay. Hi, what you doing? Time check, it's 1:38 in the afternoon at nagpark kami dito sa harapan ng first office.
And now, Lola Karen is at home.
Yeah.
And she's at our home.
That's right. So, yung gagawin ko sana, guys, magpo-post ako kasi meron tayong nabenta. Ngayon, pagdating namin dito, ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog man.
And I got something so fun. I really like Lola Karen's smell.
You like Lola Karen's smell?
Yeah.
Si Daddy Mike ay nag-message na. He said that he's with his mom now and they are going to Woolies. So, nag-grocery sila. They're going to Woolies now, you know?
Together?
Yeah, together. It's Daddy's lunch break now.
I
Ang ating
really
baby
wanna
Celine,
go.
ating baby Celine kasi guys, hindi siya nag-nap kanina. So, it's already late na nag-nap siya. What's that? Oh, yeah, it's gonna go away. Ipapost ko sana to. So, maybe I'll just have to wait tomorrow kasi Ate Paris ay going sa, sa hindi niya bukas. Yeah, try to open it. Hang on, I'll just show this one. So, ito ipakita ko sa inyo yung nabenta ko guys ha. So, naka-box na siya. Oh, kailangan na talaga siyang i-post. Ayan. This is it, Pansy.
I couldn't do it. No, I couldn't do it. No, I couldn't do it.
So, this is Bali. Bali yung brand nito.
I couldn't do
Ayan.
it.
Nabenta ko siya.
I think
Mama will do it. Careful that not because Celine's sleeping now. So, siguro bukas ko na lang ito post pagpunta ni Ate Paris sa sa candy niya. And then I'll just express it. Like, you know, send the express para hindi magalit ang buyer.
yeah.
Para hindi magalit ang buyer. Kasi mahirap na.
I'm having a lunch break.
Hindi ako makalabas-labas kasi ang ating baby Celine ay sleeping man. Can you open this?
Yeah.
Nagsisialisan ng mga tao.
Where?
People are going now. Kahanda.
My
Ito yung natanggap natin sa tignan natin kung ano to. I think I know what this is na. This is for mama. Wala din.
How did what did
Pante mo diha.
How
Pante
did
mo
you
diha,
know?
guys. Pante.
how did you know?
What? Because that's for mama. So I bought this online. Nakita ko kasi maganda yung reviews niya. Pakita natin ba? Hindi pa naman sinuot eh. Para makita niyo ang Ha? Yeah. Iba rin. Very siya guys, very soft ang kanyang material. So I bought 5 different colors.
What kind of color?
Hello, you have to go back to your seat na ko. Hello, 6 pala, hindi pala 5. 6 pala ito eh. Ate, sige na.
Huh?
Don't you wanna see Lola Karen? Sobrang exciting na ngayon guys kasi after nito malapit na mag 2 o'clock. So 5:30 yung graduation ni Ate Paris at yung graduation naman ay held na nila sa parang church. Hindi siya parang church talaga siya na next to the school.
And
so
also, I went to prep just now.
yeah, I told you that.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. And did you like it? Did you like the new classroom?
I just didn't want
Ay, they can't see you enough.
I didn't wanted to, cause we went to that park, the one inside the park, and I didn't want, and it was time to go, but I said no. But I like it.
Alright, let's go now so you see Lola Karen.
Yay!
And then we'll get ready for the graduation. Oh my god.
I got it.
Very perfect timing talaga ang kanyang Lola
It's the
guys.
afternoon now. The afternoon.
Yes, it's afternoon now. So it will be 3 hours and it's your graduation. So let's go. Put it in. Next time na lang ako post. Bukas na lang ako magpo-post to eh. Mahirap guys. Sobrang hirap ihan. Hatiin lang tayo.
Can I do this?
No, nak. It's very hot, nak. Tingnan niyo ang ating baby silin, no? Oh. Nak, hands at your hand, nak.
And this is the cage. This is me, like a cage. She's not. You're not allowed to see.
Not allowed to see what?
So I'm tricking you.
Nak, are you ready for next year for prep?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you going to make new friends?
Yeah.
Ang ating person nahinip na. Hinihintay niya ang kanyang lola tsaka ang kanyang daddy. Ngayon, she's coming soon. Natulog ang kanyang sister. Tulog pa rin si baby Celine. Kaya nilabas ko na. So daddy said he is now coming home, but Lola Karen is going to the chemist. So you won't see her until later.
No, said no.
Later. She'll come home before the graduation after. She's going with us to your school. She'll just buy something from the chemist.
After the chemist, is she coming?
Yeah.
Where is she getting from the chemist?
Yeah. Daddy will be here soon. Okay? Okay? That's what we grab some money. Move there a little bit. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. Wow. Ganda na kanyang outfit, oy. Everyone loved your outfit. No. Even her teacher sabi, oh my God. She looks so cute with her outfit. Ganyan na, pinasuot ko na yan kasi ilang oras na lang naman ay graduation niya. O, yan na lang din yung suotin. Anak, no? Can you see Daddy? Is he coming? There he is. Go. Paris. Wakang ilang taong di nagkita. Hindi makap-akap ng kanyang tatay, oh. Kasi yung tatay niya meron pang sore eyes.
How are you? How was school? Did you enjoy being a teacher? Is she nice? How'd it go, Mummy?
Good.
Well, I know the name. Miss Michelle.
Did it go well?
Miss Michelle.
Did it go well?
A few moments later.
Is Lola? Did you open? Say hello. You ready? Are you sure it's Lola Karen?
It is.
Is that Celine?
Someone's at the front door. Go quick, Abby. Go to the front door. Quick. Come on, after this. Wait. Okay, go open the door. Starstruck or something.
Yeah, hello. Hello, Celine. Hello, Celine.
Scared.
Oh, I took a while because it was so hot and my bags were so heavy.
Did you really go to chemist warehouse?
Yeah, but I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. Yeah, I realised
I was
now.
just playing games on my
Are you hot?
iPad.
Yeah?
I was playing games in my
Lola Karen. Did you give Lola Karen a cuddle? You have been waiting for so long.
going to prep.
Yum!
That was only for a visit.
You had to go for a visit. And you have graduation
Yeah.
tonight. So,
Hello, hello.
so this doesn't see graduation.
Oh, Paris, she's got like a new thing today, Celine.
What's that?
So she was sliding down the slide at the school.
Yeah.
You remember when Paris started doing it? Like, yes!
Yeah.
That one, she's doing it now.
Is she?
Yeah, started today. She's like this one. Yes! Yes!
I'll take off my glasses. Sunglasses.
Hello.
Hello, Celine. I'm not going to grab it here because
I have a
then
big
you would be just terrified. So I'm just going to let you slowly warm up to me.
No? No?
Is that right?
Say, Dada. No?
No?
I thought she's not crying. It's good.
Celine? Celine, I know what you like to do. You do this, Celine. No. You go, no.
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 No. No.
Yeah, she's very stern when she says no. No. Oui?
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. I put these away.
Diyan ang ating Ate Paris. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Ginawa ko na ang kanyang buhok.
I was
Nakbet, show
jumping.
me hair. Ayan. Punta kami ng post office. Before kami pupunta sa graduation. Kasi nga hindi kami nakapunta kanina, diba? Nakatulog ang ating medicine. So, dito na ang kanyang lola. Ayan na ang mga kagamitan ng kanyang lola. Oh. Ang baby Celine is here muna. Oy, very good girl muna ang mama, ang baby ni mama. Oy. What are you eating, love? What are you eating? Can I have one? Can I have one, please? One.
That one.
One. Camera?
Yeah.
Give one to mama. Give one to mama. Ala, focus na focus sa kanyang pinapanood. Give me one. Ala. Nothing for mama di ay. Makain siya ng sultanas. 4:30 na guys. Lalakad kami ni baby Celine. Ayan o, kasama ko. Ay, ginuktok. Pupunta kami ng post office kasi kailangan ko na talaga ito ipadala. Ayan. Oh. So, si Ate Paris ay iniwan ko doon sa kanyang lola. Tapos doon na lang kami magkikita mamaya sa school nila kung saan gaganapin yung kanilang graduation. Kasi dyan lang naman. Same street lang. Ayan lang kanilang ano dyan. Yung school nila tapos yung post office. Ayan, dyan lang. So, malapit lang naman. Pasensya na kung lumilis nga ang aking ilong guys ha. Kasi sobrang init. Tapos naglalakad pa kami. Ayoko kasi mag-drive kasi konti lang yung space nila sa school. Maraming medyo malalayo yung mga kabahayan from school. So, magpapark sila. Baka pagdating namin doon, walang parkingan. Malapit lang naman kami. So, naglakad na lang kami. Ito siya ay hinuktok ko na. You okay lang? What's going on in your head lang? Yeah, it's 4:36 na pala. 5 o'clock, mag-close ang post office. You know, ako ay. Ayan sila daddy. Naglalakad na sila galing ng bahay. So doon sila dadaan. We'll just cross the road and then dyan ang school niya sa Paris. Nag-video call sila.
Mama.
She's putting in her earbud. Say bye-bye na, Daddy. See you soon. See you soon.
See you soon.
Say bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hey.
How did you get here? I need to get him.
We're waiting for you. Careful, Malama. Wait, anak. There you go. So, dyan guys, mangyayari.
Anyone else? I got injured at work.
Huh?
Where are you going?
Hello, Miss Darna.
Hello.
How are you? Musta?
Right, oh, it's Lola. Hi, Lola. Hiya.
It's better, Lola. How are you?
Good, how are you? Hi, Steve.